think, Marge. All I need is a title.
All right. Well, welcome one, welcome all. My name is GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. In today's game, we are continuing our quest to get Divine Shield characters out. We've got 3 more to get out to complete the quest. Now, let's get to it. Meanwhile, Missy Cat has joined me on the chair. She is one of our mascots, aren't you? Yes, you are. There we go. Against the Druid. All right.
You asked for it.
Yeah, she's purring up a storm. No Divine Shield people anywhere. You know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and play it. What the hell? I was thinking about not playing that, but yeah, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and play my current job. Standard first turn play with him. Slows down the game immediately. Sorta. Has to hit him. Alright. What do I want to do? You know what I want to do? I'm going to be a dick. Here we are. Drink with me, friend. Go back home. Then I'm going to go ahead and actually deploy him again. Because I don't want him to have the 1 point that he just gave me. Ha! Have fun. That was probably a waste of a good coin card, but okay. Do 3 points of damage to something. The taunt character. I thought that was 3 points. Oh, no, 1 point and he drew the card. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, well, you might have wanted to hold off on using that anyway, but there you go. Missy Cat has vacated the scene. By the way, we still haven't gotten any Divine Shield characters out. Let's see if we have one here. No, and no. Not yet. Now he might do 3 points. Yep, exactly. He's basically out there as a meat shield. Because he's always targeted. You want to get him down and out before anything else can really get going on it. In the meantime, we have 4 points. Let's go ahead and do him and him. And continue to do face, since we can. Here we are. Mostly for the card there, I think. Alright, let's see here. All other characters. Yes! Ow. Hold on here. I only have 3. So, Go ahead and kill you so I can keep my guy and get him going there. There we go. 5-2. There we are. This is going to hurt. There we go. That was a good play. My flesh-eating ghoul here is gonna maybe live. Nope. But that's fine. You're still 16 points down. Here, watch this. Actually, 6, so we can do this. Actually, no, let's go ahead and do what we were going to do anyway. That hurt. And a spider. There we go. What I'm going to do next turn is use him and get him back to the hand if I can.
This is
Yeah, except for the taunt. Ah, damn it. So what I'm going to do here is this. That. And
Drink with me, friend.
okay. And I only have 2. And then we're going to go ahead and give it to him because, yeah. He's hoping he has stabilized the game at 11 life, which would be interesting. Still have not gotten much in the way of my Divine Shield characters to get out here, I don't think. Haven't seen many of them. Oh, we're playing a Jade deck all of a sudden.
mind if I roll need?
We're playing a Jade deck that's rapidly trying to take over the board. Alrighty then, you know what we're gonna do? There's you, and there's you. Ow! I will give that an oops. Ow, that hurt. Oh, crap. Well, I hope I get another turn. I'll get another turn. Yes, I will. Damn, that sucked. Try to whittle that down a little bit. Try to whittle that taunt down there. But that's 11 points. That's going to be hard to do. $11 points of taunt right here. Not good. And now he's going for the face. Why? Because, yeah. Okay. We are sinking into the basement here, folks. Let's see. I don't think we got it. Nope, we didn't. We're going to need to do at least one more game. In fact, we didn't even get any. We still have to get the. We still have to get 3. And that's because there really isn't a whole lot of divine shield characters in the game. So, divine shield is. I mean, there are no divine shield characters in any of the class decks. So you have to go to the neutral deck to actually find divine shield characters. And then there are a few things that you might want to throw in just because they're nice to have and give you some way of winning the game. You know, I don't want to lose much more in the way of rank, so we're actually going to go against what I normally say to do, and we're going to play a casual game. Next time, anyway. I forgot. So, again, if you liked what you saw today, feel free to leave me a comment below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing out.